Hi friend. If you wish to delete your Facebook account using an iPhone, first open the Facebook app. Tap on the icon that looks like 3 lines. This is the menu icon. Once you enter the page, scroll it all the way down to the end of the page, and then tap Settings. Tap the first option that reads, Personal and Account Information. Tap Account the option that reads, Ownership and Control. Tap the option that reads, Deactivation and Deletion. Choose the best option for you. You can delete temporarily your account or permanently delete it. Once you decide, select the option and tap the blue button that reads, Continue to Account Deactivation. Enter your password, and ready. The account it will be deleted as you wish. You can find this step by step, written in the descriptions. If you found this tutorial useful, please let us know by liking the video. Subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you later, friend.